Hello, here we are again. Just nipping in with a wee video. Right, that's good. Well, how's everybody doing? You're still, I would say, surviving, but I don't want to be making light of this situation. So, I hope everybody's doing well and doing what they can do. Tuning into any support that's available out there if you need it, and volunteering if you don't, because they're needing loads of volunteers. So this is us now. We are officially day 2 into lockdown in Scotland. You may or may not know we were locked down on Monday night, so no going out, only for essential food shopping and medical supplies. Yesterday, our area was deadly quiet. Excuse me. Really painfully quiet. And it reminded me of when I was about 6 or 7 years old. I still stay in the same street where I did then with my gran. And it reminded me of a way back then when everything was dark. Even on a sunny day, it seemed as if it was dark. And it was really quiet. There was only one car in the full street. Now, I'm only in my 40s, but that's the way it was around here. There was only one car in the street. I was out the back door last night because we've got our wee seedlings in, trying to prepare ourselves for all this carry on. And I was standing at the back door and I thought, oh, jings to hang, how quiet is it out here? It was really deathly quiet. Quite spooky, actually, it was, quite spooky. But anyway, that was last night. Today, there is loads of selfish or inconsiderate people going about their tasks as if it's normal everyday life, and they couldn't give a monkey's about anybody else. So it's a sad state of affairs. Anyway, as I said before, I'm going to try and do some wee crafty things for my wee nieces. I've got a couple of wee nieces, and I thought they're bored and they're fed up like everybody else, and they're not even a week into being off school. They officially stopped last Friday, although some of them had been off since before then. So I'm going to cut some wee Easter things out, and they stay pretty close to me, so the next time I have to go out for my meds or whatever, I'm going to drop these in, and hopefully it'll break their boredom a wee bit. They're still very young, they're really young children, and it's quite hard for them to get a grasp of why they're not allowed out and to see their friends and stuff like that. So I'll give you a wee show through of what I'm doing. Just now I'm cutting some Happy Easters. Just some dies I bought here last year, so I'm running them through. I'm cutting loads of wee carrots, different shades of orange, different sized carrots. There, I've got some carrots. Wheek onto the floor with them, and I've got the wee carrot stalks are all cut out as well. You can see there, they'll go on the top of the wee carrot. So that's one of the things that I'm doing just now for the children. I'll show you the other one in a wee second. And see this here? I cut 2. Now I apologise if my nails look dirty because I was just doing some mixed media for myself there. I can assure you it's no dirt because I absolutely hate dirty fingernails. That's my pet hate. Okay, so I'm going to stick some of these into a wee bag with them, give them a choice. I've also got Easter stickers and that here. I'm going to put some of them in wee bags, and I'll make them up a wee card, you know, a wee example of. I'll put this to the side a wee second there. I'll give them a wee card and they can follow it. As I said, one of them's only nursery age. One of them's primary 1 and one of them's primary 2. Yeah, primary 2. So the other thing that I made was these goodies here. Yesterday I cut out a load of these dies. I had some sitting out. Right, this is one that I made a mistake when I was cutting. I cut the wee face out the middle. So this is the die. As you can see, it's got the wee face and all that in it, and ears, and this bit separates. So you can colour that in, or you can bend it to bend the ears, whatever. And what happens is, you fold it up like that. You put your lollipop in the middle. So let's pretend this is a lollipop. You would put your lollipop in the middle there like that. And this goes round your lollipop, just as a wee lollipop holder. And it's very simple, very easy. As I said, they're very young children, so that'll give them a wee thing. And I'll stick some lollipops in with it. And there's the die there, in case anybody's interested. That was the die. And I've done 2 sets because they live in 2 different houses. I've got one with 5 sets in it and one with 3 sets in it. So that gives them 2 sets each, 1 spare one and 1 for their adult person to do as they're going along. And these carrots here, I'm doing these carrots and Happy Easter, so put all those in. If I just grab my Easter stickers here that I've got as well. I've got 2 packs of these Easter stickers. So I'll cut round them and I'll give them some of these each, and they can make wee Easter things. Okay, right, I just wanted to jump in and say, stay calm everybody, stay in. Look to the light at the end of the tunnel, because there's got to be one somewhere, and things will get better. If we stay in just now and do what we're told, we'll be in it for the short haul and not the long haul. So please pay heed to your government, which I wouldn't always say, but there you go. Stay calm, stay safe, and happy crafting everybody. Take the love and share it. Bye.